Hi, this is Saket and welcome to another live trading video. So today in this video we are going to review the trades taken on 23rd, 24th and 25th of February. We couldn't go live on 23rd and 24th because of many reasons, and yesterday was again a day where the trading was halted, and that's the reason we didn't shoot the entire video also. And so what we are going to rather do is that for the trades taken on 23rd and 24th, we are going to attach the snapshot from a contract note directly. So whatever is the profit and loss, you are going to get to know that directly. So as you can see, on 23rd, the market was pretty volatile and there was a V-shaped move, and which means we'll be going under loss, which all of you already know, because in the system we use, if there's a V-shaped move, we'll be going under loss. And you saw like in the previous attached screenshot, you can see that on 23rd we are at a loss of 6.5 lakh from trading. And on 24th, that is yesterday, there was one-sided move, and we also had taken a couple of future trades along with the normal option trades, and yesterday we ended with a total M2M of somewhere close to 13 lakh. So I have attached the contract notes for both, so you can see the contract notes for 24th as well as 23rd. So we lost around 6.5 lakh due to wild swings in the market, and it was pretty volatile and it hit the stop loss on all the four sides. And on 24th, the movement was pretty one-sided yesterday, especially after the private bank news came, when Nirmala Sitharaman announced that public sector banks can open an account with private banks. There was a huge rally in BankNifty, and this favored us a lot. So 2 days combined, we had a profit of close to around 7 lakh, that is 13 lakh minus 6.5 lakh. And today was another expiry day trade, which means we'll be taking some discretionary trades, as well as we will also be taking the system trades. So system, as you all know, will be entering 3 trades, one at 10 o'clock, one at 1 o'clock and one at 2 o'clock. So today, as usual, we entered the 10 o'clock trade, but there was some manual execution error. So one leg got cleared and the other leg didn't get cleared, and within span of 2 minutes, right before we could clear the leg, the price had already moved down by almost 20 to 30 points. So it was just a matter of couple of minutes before we, not even actually a matter of minutes, it was a matter of seconds. When one order got executed, the other didn't get executed, and we started the day itself with a M2M of minus 1 lakh. So this was very unfortunate for us, because we started the entire day only with a M2M of minus 1 lakh. And today market direction was more or less one-sided from 10 o'clock. It opened at 37,100 and it never really went up from there. So it came to 36,900, tried to bounce back up but couldn't hold, again started falling down, and there was never really a point wherein market bounced above 37,200. So 37,100 straddle is what we started with. We had also done some quantity of 37,000 straddle, and later the market really never went up there and it started coming down, which means we really shouldn't have a problem, because when the market starts moving in one direction on expiry day, it is pretty much beneficial for us. So even though if there was a V-shaped recovery coming back to 37,000, it still would have favored us. So with this, we will also be doing some discretionary trades, which again will favor us. So you do see that we started only with around 1 lakh negative, and over time we did turn positive. And when we took 1 o'clock trade, that's when the real M2M started going up, and it went to around 2.5 lakh, 2.5 to 3 lakh. And then what happened was, so around 10 o'clock to 1 o'clock, we did manage to come from loss to small profits. So we never really had huge profits. We did recover all the loss, whatever we had lost. And from 1 o'clock is when the real profit started, because we did a 36,800 straddle at 1 o'clock, and after we did 36,800 straddle, and market was trading around the range till 2 o'clock, and then one-sided move started. So we went from all the way 3 lakh profit to negative 1 lakh again. So because there was a wild swing in markets, and again 2 o'clock entry got completely messed up due to manual execution, and that's the reason we are working towards Algo, because these manual execution errors will get completely avoided if we use Algo. And yeah, so 2 o'clock entry also got completely messed up. We couldn't enter at proper prices. There was almost a difference of 30 points on CEP that it alone contributed to another 90,000 to 1 lakh of gain or loss. So that was the case. And from 3 lakh profits, we fell all the way to negative 1.5 lakh. And the last entire hour was more about discretionary trades, where we short at 36,600, 36,700, 36,800 CE. And end of the day, we were able to end with a profit of somewhere close to 4.3 lakh. So this was all possible because we also mixed discretionary trades. Due to manual execution error, we lost quite a lot actually. We would have made another 2.5 lakhs in case there was no error in execution. But yeah, that's the reason there is a problem with manual execution. When we use Algo, all such things will be avoided. And yeah, please do like, share and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also share this video with as many people as possible, because our only idea is to show that you don't have to be profitable all the days. When you're a trader, you are going to have days when you're going to lose money, and you are also going to have days when you're going to make money. For example, on a Tuesday when there was wild swings, we lost around 6.5 lakh. We were able to recover it the very next day when the market showed one-sided move, and today on an expiry day also we were able to make profits. So this is the whole idea of trading. You don't have to win every day. You have to just make sure that when you win, you win big, so you can recover your losses. And we want to be as transparent as possible, so that's the reason we couldn't go live. So we have shared the screenshot of our contract notes directly. Hope you enjoy that as well. Enjoy the whole video. And please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. And also there are links to Telegram as well as Twitter as well as Instagram down below. Don't forget to subscribe to those as well. Thank you so much for joining in. So all the 3 days put together, we have ended with a profit of 11 lakh 25,000, around the range of 11 lakh 25,000. And many people asked us on Tuesday, like, since we had a loss, aren't you posting your loss? Like, we don't shy away from posting either loss or profit. So we will be doing that on regular basis. Even in case if we miss on any day, we will make sure that we will post the screenshot of the ledger. Thank you so much.